documents are the material procured subsequent to the hearing and determination of the impeachment motion by the County Assembly. You can see the Senate, the Speaker's procession has entered the chamber, led by the mace that symbolizes the authority of Parliament. And once the chair is taken, we shall add you over to these proceedings. Welcome.
Na tuombe. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu, twakusihi ututazame kwa neema nyingi na baraka sisi watumishi wako ambao umeridhika kutuita kwa nyadhifa za uongozi katika jamhuri yetu. Twakuomba tuwajalie tuyatende na kufikiria mambo yote yatakayofikishwa mbele yetu kwa njia ya haki na uaminifu, ili kustawisha amani, ufanisi na heri ya nchi hii yetu na wale ambao haja zao umezikabidhi mikononi mwetu. Amen. Clerk, do we have quorum? Sergeant at Arms, kindly ring the quorum bell for 10 minutes.
Thank you. The Honorable Speaker of the Senate has ordered the quorum bell to be rung for 10 minutes. This is in line with the Senate Standing Orders 39 and 40 that states that the quorum for the Senate shall be 15 senators, and then the quorum at the commencement of a sitting of a Senate should be 15 senators too. And if there is no quorum when the chair is taken at the time appointed for a sitting of the Senate, the Speaker immediately after the prayer orders the bell to be rung for 10 minutes, and this is a process that is ongoing now until the Senate achieve that quorum of 15 members to begin their proceedings. You can see on your screens there is Elias Mutuma, as well as Degwa Njiru, the advocates for the County Assembly. And Among the issues that will be ruled upon by the Speaker, as you had indicated earlier this afternoon, include the application by the County Assembly on the expansion of certain paragraphs from the response by the Deputy Governor, that is paragraphs 48 to 64, as well as some of the responses. They were saying that some of those responses were to charges that were not read or material at the time this motion was considered at the County Assembly. And then there will be the issue on the summoning of one Mr. Agai will come to give evidence on whether to produce rather his appointment letter. That is the Deputy Governor for Kisii, Dr. Robert Monda, with his counsel, Senior Counsel Kato Kigen. And David Agai is being summoned when, if the Speaker will allow the summoning, to appear and produce his appointment letter. And let's see if there's quorum.
Clerk, you may proceed to call the first order.
Order number 1, communication from the chair.
Senator Mandago and Senator Tabitha, kindly take your seat as I make this communication. Now, honorable senators, at the rise of the House after the morning session, I had indeed indicated that I was going to deliver my ruling this afternoon. Now, the ruling is not ready yet. It's being typed. And therefore, I'll invoke Standing Order 1 to suspend the sitting for half an hour to allow the ruling to be typed. Once we reconvene, then I will be in a position to deliver that ruling. As you might notice, we cannot proceed with these proceedings unless we dispense with the matters that had been raised in form of preliminary objections. So, honorable senators, kindly be upstanding. This sitting is suspended for half an hour. We shall reconvene after that time. Thank you.